You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more banking reviews. HSBC New Zealand Bank Review. Welcome to an in-depth look at HSBC New Zealand. For quick access to the bank's products, check out the links provided in the description below. Let's explore what HSBC offers and why it's a compelling option for New Zealand customers. HSBC New Zealand caters to both individual and business banking clients, with a particular focus on streamlined international banking solutions. Their offerings encompass a variety of flexible account options, including savings accounts, everyday transaction accounts, and term deposit accounts. A noteworthy feature is their HSBC Premier service, tailored specifically for high-net-worth individuals. This premium service grants exclusive perks such as prioritized customer support, access to a global branch network, and personalized financial guidance. For everyday banking needs, HSBC offers competitive interest rates on their standard savings and checking accounts, coupled with transparent and clearly defined fee structures. HSBC also shines in the digital realm, providing a well-designed online banking platform and a mobile app that allows convenient access to accounts, bill payment functionalities, and even international money transfers. The mobile app is particularly user-friendly, boasting an intuitive interface and a secure environment for managing your finances. International money transfers are simplified with HSBC's extensive global reach. Sending funds across borders is straightforward and often incurs lower fees compared to other banking institutions. This makes HSBC an excellent choice for individuals who travel often or require access to international services, thanks to their broad network of global ATMs and the capability to manage funds in multiple currencies. While HSBC's fees might be marginally higher than some local New Zealand banks, the extensive range of services and the positive customer experience generally justify the added cost. Overall, HSBC New Zealand provides a robust banking experience, particularly well-suited for those seeking a combination of local and international banking capabilities, coupled with top-notch digital services and tailored financial advice for premium clients. In summary, HSBC New Zealand represents a dependable choice for personal and business banking, with a strong emphasis on global convenience. This makes it a leading option for frequent travelers and high-net-worth individuals. For your convenience, detailed information about all their services is available in the description below.